month of December. You take one out for the 1st of December, which I'm going to show you right here. You take one out. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have gotten these because these are like, I'm guessing this is for kids because you take one out for December and then when you open it up, you get a prize. It's actually a little toy. A little toy that you can build. That's what I think. It's like a little toy that you build it. And then, you know, once you build it, then the second day, when that first day is done, then you get number 2. And then you also open that. And you get another toy. But it's different. Every toy is different. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back because I'm actually going to give this to my granddaughter for December so that she can have something, you know, to do when she's doing her videos. She takes one box, then the second box, and then that way she can have her own little video going on with these. But each of these have a box. I only picked up one because I wanted to see what it was, but now that I know what it is, it goes through 1 through 24. It starts from 1 here and ends on the 24. So if she wanted, she can take one out, play with it, build it, whatever. Make a video that she's taking one of these out, build it, and then when she's done, once she breaks the bag, when she's done, she can put it back in the box and put it back in here and then start on 2. So this is actually going to go through all the way through 4. And it comes with these I think these are like every 24 toys that she gets in there is front and back. I guess this tells you. This is actually sideways. See, this is sideways. Okay. I think it's sideways. Yeah, it's sideways. And then this one is upwards. This face is upwards. And it comes in a box. So, once, see, and then this is what it looks like. This is how it's supposed to look. Each of the toys. She could even make a tree. She can make a Christmas tree with it if she gets one that has a Christmas tree on it. And then the reindeer, train, and it comes with different toys, which is cool to have. So, she's gonna like that. I think she's gonna like that. And then I also got a calendar. I don't know what I did with that calendar. But I also got a calendar for the fridge. That's somewhere. It comes with the marker, cup, eraser, if I need to erase the date. And then I have, let me see if I see it in here. I doubt it because I might have taken it out. I think I did, but I'm going to show you the flags. So these are the flags that I was talking about, that I have one for my Christmas tree. And I actually have one for Halloween, but I think it says, like, it came with spiders that I can put on the wall. See? They come with little bats. Not spiders, but bats. Which is right here. And what's good about it is because I got 2. And then This is the flag. It's October Witches. It's October Witches and their flags. It's a flag. And then there's another one that says Trick or Treat. See, it says trick and the other one says treat. Okay. I've been like trying to get something like this so I can get it on every holiday. So I'm glad I got it because I can put it anywhere in the house, and I got two, which is cool. But you know what? It's okay because if one breaks, I have this one. And I even have one for Christmas, but it's packed away, so I can't take that one out. So, yep, I'm almost done. I'm trying to roll this up as quickly as possible so I don't... Alright. So I'm cool with that, which is cool. I'm glad that I was able to get these. I'm going to be able to make bats. And I'm glad because now I have 2 packs instead of 1. So that's going to be fun. Along with this, I think this is what, just that's nothing. But I'm glad I got this. And I'm able to be able to make my Halloween much better with some more Halloween stuff, which I'm excited about. So, you know what? I am happy, and hopefully you guys like and subscribe if you want to grow in 2025. My goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year of 2025. So we're going to come in, hopefully, I'm going to come in 2026 with 10,000 subscribers. I'm hoping. And of course, 4,000 views. But until then, I have to keep working and making videos and making more unboxing videos with the Ben Factory. I'm going to keep going there monthly. I'm going to probably go once a month, maybe, if I can, to get more Halloween and Christmas stuff because I love Christmas and I love Halloween. So I am going to get more of that in hopes to end the year with a bunch of Halloween stuff, because I still got to get pillows, I still got to get blankets, I still want to get Halloween and Christmas stuff for my bathroom, the bedrooms, the living rooms. I'm gonna go all out because I've seen a lot of people on YouTube that got everything. Got pillows, pillowcases, bathrooms, decorations for the bathrooms, decorations for the kitchen, decorations for the bedrooms, decorations for the hallways. I want all that. But in order for me to do all of that, I have to get everything little by little, buy things little by little, get to what I need to get to. But until then, I'm just going to have to keep going in hopes to get the stuff that I need. So again, like and subscribe if you want to grow in 2025, because I will subscribe back. And don't forget to turn on those notifications if you want to see more of these unboxing videos of me buying more stuff for Christmas and Halloween. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you do reach your goals, and you guys, you know, subscribe and leave nice comments, because this is a friendly page. I'm not into rowdiness and things like that, but leave a comment. Let me know that you have comments into the page, and I will get more of these unboxings. So like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next channel. Later.